In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from Google Drive permanently. Let's dive right in so we can make this process as straightforward as possible for you. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head straight to Google Drive. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already familiar. Knowing where everything is will help make things easier as you go. Search for the photos you want to remove. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate specific images if you remember their file names or keywords associated with them. Otherwise, you can navigate through your folders to find them. You might find it helpful to switch between list and grid view, depending on how you prefer to sort through your files. Once you've located the photos, select the ones you wish to delete. You can do this by clicking on each photo while holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac. This allows you to select multiple files at once. If you want to delete all the photos in a folder, you can simply select the folder itself. Now it's time to move the selected photos to the trash. Look for the trash icon at the top of the screen and click on it. You'll see a prompt asking you to confirm that you wish to move these files to the trash. Go ahead and confirm this action. Keep in mind, moving files to the trash doesn't immediately delete them. After you've moved the files to the trash, you'll need to navigate to the trash folder to permanently delete them. In the left-hand pane of Google Drive, you'll see a list of different locations like My Drive, Shared with Me, and more. Scroll down until you find the trash link and click on it. Inside the trash, you'll see the items you previously moved there. From here, you can either select individual files to delete or clear the entire trash at once. For individual files, you simply select the ones you want to delete permanently, then click on Delete Forever at the top. If you want to empty the entire trash, you'll find an option for that too. Once you confirm this final step, your photos will be permanently deleted from Google Drive and cannot be recovered. There you have it, a clear and simple way to ensure that your unwanted photos are completely removed from your Google Drive. Remember, this process is irreversible, so only delete files when you're absolutely sure you no longer need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you found this video useful, and stay tuned for more how-tos and guides. See you next time.